So today I'm teaching you guys how to make a thumbnail. The apps you need is YouTube Studio, Over, Typorama, and Google. This is YouTube Studio. First we go to Typorama to make your thumbnail. You have to choose YouTube thumbnail, YouTube video thumbnail. Then if you choose that, you choose your image. It's either from your photos or stock images or just a color. So for an example, I'm gonna be choosing this wonderful mountain, white icy mountain. Double tap to text, to type in your text. And you can have any designs for your text. Then you save it. Then you go to Google and then you save the image of like what describes your thumbnail. Mine is a phone because it's how to make a thumbnail using your phone. So I chose the iPhone 6 because I have the iPhone 6 and it's gold, and I also have gold. You don't go to Typorama. You actually, you go save that picture. And then you go to Over, this yellow circle thingy. And then you choose your photo. It's the thumbnail we made earlier using Typorama. And then you press image, the one with the mountain and circle thing on top. And then choose your image to paste there. You can size it and choose a different filter and adjust. So I actually decided to put something more like a thumbnail, but I chose not to anymore. So I put their thumbnail. And I was like, nope, I'm not gonna choose that. So if you're done with that, if you're okay with it, you press save, that little yellow thing on top, in the top corner right. Go to YouTube Studio. Press a video you want to change the thumbnail. And then you see that little pencil thing. You press that in the corner right. And then press edit thumbnail. And then you change or add a thumbnail or custom thumbnail. Then you can see your photos and then press a thumbnail. That's an example. So I deleted my old thumbnail for this video, so I was like, oh my gosh, I have to make a new one. But no, you can just discard it and repeat. So that's how you make a thumbnail. You can size it and you press select and you're done. I'm just doing this because I like that thumbnail. You can totally